Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, honey. I would really appreciate it if you would like, share, and comment on this video. And if you really like me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Alright y'all, how y'all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day, and if you are not, positive vibes your way, honey. Alright y'all, so today we're getting into another lock tutorial. This time it's gonna be on my 4-year-old. Gonna get him together. Right now, as you can see, he's looking all kinds of crazy. So let me give you a little bit about his hair texture. So normally it's super curly. Give me a second, baby. Normally it's super curly and it doesn't stay, or he picks it apart. So we've been trying to get this lock thing going for a little while now, and they're constantly coming out, either because his hair is so soft, and number 2, because he picks it apart. So this time, the last time I twisted it, I did it in 2-strand twist, and I just left it alone. So it looks really bad right now, but the plus side is that it's managed to stay together just a little bit. And right now it's all kinky. Bang your hair down for me, baby. Bang your head. Okay. If you guys can see that, it's really kind of tangled in there, but Mommy, it's beginning to stay together. So I feel like we're making progress. Hold on, baby. We're making progress. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and wash it because there's a lot of lint in there. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it. It hasn't been washed in a while. I really have just completely left it alone. So I'm going to wash it up. And then I'm going to clean it up a little and then attempt to do a retwist. And what I'm most likely going to do is actually retwist his hair in the way that I did mine to see if it'll stay. His hair is much shorter, but it has enough length to be able to style it in a 2-strand twist. So we're gonna do that and see if it works out. All right, you guys, I'm gonna wash it and I'll be back. All right, you guys, we are back. I just washed up the hair, picked some of the lint out of it, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Today I'm using the same products as I used in my last video, which was the ORS Lock and Twist Gel, Cream of Nature Leave-In Strength and Shine Conditioning Spray, and then BB Tropical Roots Stimulating Growth Spray with Pineapple and Guava. Alright, so first things first, what I usually do is spray down the hair with the conditioner, but I have already done that step. So right now, give me a second, Caleb. Right now we're going to section the hair, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm not going to section it how I usually do my hair. For this, I'm going to just section off some of the top, and then I'll start working at the back, and then I'm going to have him turn so you guys can see. It's pulling tight. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Mommy.
Yes.
You can pull it tight.
Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, now I'm going to have him turn to the side. And we're going to get started at the back. Let's turn the camera down just a little bit so you guys can see. Turn your head that way, baby. Alright. So,
the top off.
if you guys can see back here. No, we're not. Alright, so.
Mommy.
Shh, give me a second, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you. So we're gonna take some locking gel and grab my first twist, and I'm just gonna apply a little to the base and then bring it down the length of the hair. And bring it down the length of the hair, and I'm just gonna add just a tiny bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, look. All right.
Let the one down and not wash.
All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead. I guess I should clip this out the way because I don't think you guys can see. Clip these pieces out of the way. You gotta turn your head, baby.
Mommy.
Caleb, turn your head, please.
Mommy.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm blowing mine.
All right, and then I'm just gonna palm roll it. Palm roll. I hope you guys can see. Palm roll. Oops. Hair's still super wet. Probably should have tried it a little bit more, but it's okay. All right, so we got that one twisted. Going to put a clip to hold that in place for a second, and then I'm going to do the next one. Pull this a little bit closer. Again, just putting some gel at the base and then spreading it down the length of the hair, and going to again put the hair between my hands and just palm roll it. I didn't take the comb and straighten out his roots because he's gonna have a fit. He's gonna have a fit, so this is the way I can do it without having him holler and scream and everything because he hates to have his hair combed. All right, so I'm gonna take them and I'm just gonna do that 2-strand twist out where I twist it together and down the length of the hair. Bring your hair down, Caleb. Yeah. Down the length of the hair. Bring your hair down a little bit more. Thank you. All right, so we have our first 2-strand twist, and I'm just gonna put a rubber band on the end. I don't know if you guys can see. Turn your head, baby, for 1 minute. Okay. All right, that's our first twist. A little bit fuzzy. I try not to twist his too tight because his head is very tender like mine. I don't like my hair really tight, but this works for him. He won't cry and scream and holler about it hurting. So yeah. All right, I need you to turn your head back around, okay? And then we're just gonna go ahead and go back in with our next 2 pieces. I'm gonna grab here. Clip that hair out of the way again. I'm gonna get our gel. And straight to the base of the hair and pull it down, just rub it through. Put that hair in between and palm roll. Palm roll. I'm gonna put that clip in to hold the hair in place for a second. And then I'm gonna do my next twist. And turn around.
Mommy.
Yes. Again, down the length of the
My
hair.
hair how like yours.
Yeah, it looks just like mine, right?
Yeah.
All right, and back again. Turn for a minute. Back again. Palm roll it right on down. All the way down. Try to make it kind of tight at the bottom if you can get a good roll. So that those hairs are locking in place. Gotta be quiet, baby. Thank you. All right, and then I'll remove my clip, and then we're just gonna twist them together again. Turn here, baby. Just like that, okay? Don't move for 1 second. And we're just gonna twist down the length of the hair. 2-strand twisting all the way down the length of the hair. And again, we're gonna put that rubber band on to hold it. So I'm really hoping this works out and he does not pick it apart. And then maybe if it holds well when we're ready to go and retwist, we should definitely have a good hold. We should definitely see some more of the hair starting to lock by then. Hopefully I can keep it in for a month. We'll see though. And that's his first 2 twists. Just in that 2-strand twist style. Just like my hair. All right, so we got that started. I'm gonna go through and finish the rest of his hair, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end product. All right, you guys, we are back, and his hair is complete. Turn your head to the side for me so everybody can see. So it's complete. Turn that way. There we go. And then bring your hair down. All right, so it's all done. I did them fairly loose because if his hair is too tight, he's gonna take it out. In the middle of the night, he will pick his hair apart. It's so rough trying to keep his hair in. It's already soft and comes apart, but then with him fooling with it, it just makes it worse. I know y'all like, well, why don't you just get him a haircut? He don't want his hair cut. We tried, and I didn't even cut it all the way off. I just cut it down some and sit back, baby. I just cut it down some, and he had a fit. He cried so bad, and he walked around with his hair in the bag for like 2-3 days. So I figured this was the next best thing to avoid having to constantly comb his hair. So we're gonna see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna oil it down, and then hopefully this holds up for a little while. It looks okay right now. And then I'll give you guys an update on his next retwist to see if we've made any real progress in the locking stage. So yeah, spray it down real good. It tickle?
Yeah.
Spray it down. Alright, I'm gonna bring your head down again. Give y'all one more look. Turn to the side. Turn to the other side. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update next time. And hopefully, if anybody's having problems trying to lock their hair or their child's hair, maybe this is a little help for you guys just following the process that I just did. We don't know what the end results are going to be, but we can work this journey together, right? All right, you guys, I will catch you next video.